Hello from Uncle Randy. Another project that we're attacking today is the short shifter. When it's in gear, very sloppy. Want to get rid of that and throw like so. It's quite long. The stick probably makes it longer too. It is more convenient. It's nice and close to the steering wheel. I'm not a drifter every day, but I aspire to be. So yeah, I'm just going to remove this, get the tools, take it all apart. Another thing too is with those coilovers, it is savage. My pelvic floor muscles haven't been tested so ferociously. I think I've rearranged my insides, bit my tongue, chipped a tooth on the way here. So let's do that too, attack that. I will probably wind those coilovers, lengthen them. So yeah. Dodgy. I didn't do that. Okay, rightfully so. Just falls clean off. Man. Took ages to get that out. It was, and look at what I've done to it. I've destroyed the hell out of it. Yeah, sorry I couldn't be an example on YouTube that made it look easy. And I'm just grateful that you didn't see me do that whole process, but yeah, it took a lot of prying. The two larger tabs are there and there. It just, yeah, it was really stubborn. Yeah. And here we have the shifter. Okay, so my clip ended up right here. Woohoo, nice. Okay, currently under the car. I don't know if anyone else has this problem, but I can't get the circlip on. I know this is the tail shaft, and this heat shield here needs to be unbolted. It has some 10mm bolts. Then it needs to be folded. It's quite malleable, so you can bolt it back into place after everything's done, and that circlip there will be accessible with the two eyelets right there. So there's enough of an angle to access that, fortunately, from underneath. And before I was just being a drama queen. The throw is shorter. It's quite firm. It's not, it's a little bit loose. And yeah, I'm keen to see what it's like. Throw. Okay, so to be honest, it's quite notchy because it doesn't have the weighted ring on it, wherever that's gone. Yeah, this thing here. And I think this contributes to some smoother shifts. It also has yeah, a part number on there. It's a genuine BMW thing. So BMW engineering is fantastic. I could probably fit it on there if I put like O-rings on it, which I had to use to put the gear stick on because that shaft is quite smaller. Now that the shifter's done, I'll put the console back together. Just a few more pieces to put on. But then I find the storage compartment, there's not much of it left, to be honest. It's all missing, cracked, broken, gone. It has lots of dodginess to it. Sticky tape. I like the tweeters too there, in that location on the standard things. But in the future, a roll cage. There is a pipe base underneath this I found the other day, and yeah, I will make a custom roll bar. Okay, wrap up and conclusion for today's project. The short shifter is okay. It's not weighted, so it's quite, notchy. It's not as smooth as factory, I'll say that. I haven't taken it for a drive yet, so I'll do that. I also adjusted the rear shocks to the softest setting possible. Hopefully that will stop my insides being rearranged. So yeah, very, very savage. It could be because the rear shocks are made for an E36, which is a larger car, heavier, all that sort of stuff. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching again, and we'll see you next time.